Outdoor entertainment just got a serious upgrade. The SYLVOX 43-inch outdoor TV is built for anyone who wants a premium viewing experience outside without worrying about the elements. From the moment you see it, the build quality stands out. This TV features a durable all-weather metal chassis and is rated IP56 waterproof, so it can handle splashes, rain, and humid environments without issue. It's a combination of ruggedness and sophistication that makes it perfect for patios, gardens, or terraces. The display is a 43-inch 4K Ultra HD panel, and brightness is where it really shines. With 1000 nits, this TV can deliver crisp, vivid images even in direct sunlight. Colors remain punchy, contrasts are strong, and the ultra-narrow bezel design keeps the look sleek and modern. It doesn't feel bulky, despite being designed for outdoor conditions. One of the most convenient features is the rolling stand. Unlike traditional outdoor TVs that are fixed or mounted, this setup lets you move the TV around easily. Whether you're hosting a party, catching a live sports game, or enjoying a movie under the stars, the mobility adds incredible flexibility. The dual built-in speakers are another highlight. They deliver surprisingly clear audio for an outdoor TV. Dialogue, music, and sound effects come through with a balanced, rich tone, and the volume is strong enough to overcome background noise in open spaces. Smart features are fully integrated. Streaming services such as Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime are ready to go right out of the box. This means you don't need extra devices, which makes setup simple and convenient. High-speed processing ensures smooth navigation and minimal lag, giving you an experience that rivals indoor smart TVs. Performance-wise, it handles fast-moving scenes effortlessly, which is ideal for action movies and sports. HDR content looks bright and lively, and the high brightness ensures visibility even during daytime. Despite the power needed for high brightness, it's reasonably energy efficient, so you can enjoy long viewing sessions without excessive power consumption. Design is another area where it excels. The ultra-narrow bezel combined with a matte metal finish gives it a premium, minimalistic aesthetic. Rain, sun, or dust are no problem thanks to the IP56 waterproofing and rugged construction, which also makes cleaning and maintenance easy. The versatility is unmatched. Whether it's summer movie nights, backyard sports events, or casual hangouts, this TV is ready. It's designed to deliver the same high-quality visuals and audio you expect indoors, but with the durability and flexibility needed for outdoor environments. If you're serious about taking your backyard entertainment to the next level, this SYLVOX 43-inch outdoor TV is worth considering. The combination of portability, high brightness, all-weather durability, and smart features makes it one of the most practical outdoor TVs on the market. Check the link in the description for pricing and availability. It's a solid investment for anyone who wants hassle-free, premium outdoor entertainment that's built to last.